Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the waves, guarding the secrets of the deep? It's not mermaids or mythical sea monsters. The ocean's true guardians are silent, tireless, and absolutely essential for life on Earth, and you've probably never even heard of them. Let's start with the architects of the ocean city, coral reefs. These aren't just pretty rocks. They're bustling metropolises built by tiny animals called polyps. Covering less than 1% of the ocean floor, they support a staggering 25% of all marine life. Think about that. 1 out of every 4 fish, crabs, and sponges you can imagine calls this place home. They're the ultimate underwater apartment complexes, providing food, shelter, and a safe place for countless species to raise their young. Without coral reefs, entire ecosystems would simply vanish. But the protection doesn't stop there. Move closer to the shore, and you'll find the tangled, stilt-like roots of mangrove forests. These incredible trees are the planet's coastal bodyguards. Their dense root systems act like a natural shield, absorbing the raw power of storm surges and tsunamis, protecting coastal communities from devastation. They trap sediment, preventing it from smothering coral reefs and seagrass beds, keeping the water crystal clear. Mangroves are also vital nurseries for young fish and crustaceans, giving them a safe start in life before they venture into the open ocean. They are truly the unsung heroes of our coastlines. Now, let's dive deeper and meet the janitors of the sea. Organisms like oysters, clams, and sponges are the ocean's master purifiers. A single oyster can filter up to 50 gallons of water a day. Imagine millions of them working together 24/7. They remove pollutants and excess nutrients, preventing harmful algal blooms and keeping the water healthy and balanced. They are the living, breathing water treatment plants of the ocean, working silently to maintain the delicate chemical balance that all marine life depends on. And we can't forget the gentle giants and the microscopic powerhouses, majestic whales. Through a process colorfully known as the whale pump, bring essential nutrients from the deep sea up to the surface when they feed and, well, when they poop. This fertilizes phytoplankton, tiny microscopic plants that are the very foundation of the marine food web. These phytoplankton don't just feed everything from tiny krill to massive whales. They also produce over half of the oxygen we breathe. Yes, you heard that right. Every other breath you take comes from the ocean, thanks in large part to these silent guardians. From the vibrant coral cities and the protective mangrove barriers to the filter-feeding cleaners and the nutrient-cycling giants, the ocean is filled with silent guardians working in perfect harmony. They are the foundation of a healthy planet. Their work is quiet, often unseen, but its impact is monumental. They protect our shores, clean our water, and even produce the air we breathe. So, the next time you look out at the vast blue expanse, remember the silent, tireless guardians working beneath the surface. They are the true heart of our planet, and their survival is intrinsically linked to our own. Protecting them means protecting ourselves. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive. If you found this fascinating, please hit that like button, subscribe for more ocean explorations, and share this video to spread the word about our ocean's incredible silent guardians. See you next time.